Hello everyone, welcome back to Jim's Garage Toys, and I am going to be, try to close that door, installing a little something I got in on my GR Corolla. Just gave it a nice bath, so she's nice and clean, and I have these guys that finally showed up. So I'm very excited to get them on. Just take a few minutes, but I thought I would show everybody the process of these. And for anybody that's interested, there's the part number right there. I could not get these through my local dealers on the West Coast, so I found them available at this Elmhurst Toyota in Illinois, and they shipped them out. So the first thing I'm going to do is take them out of the plastic. These are just double stick tape on there. So obviously front ones, rear ones. I wish the rear ones also said, at least like GR or something. That'd be kind of cool, but they're just plain black. But I will rarely be opening the back doors anyway. So I will get these done. But what I'm going to do first is I'm going to go ahead and wipe these down and make sure that they stick really well. So we'll do that to all four, and then we'll apply them. So just a quick thing, these are some of the things that I use for before sticking things on it, but use a paint prep, you can use rubbing alcohol, and here's another surface prep. This is a newer version of this that Rios came out with. So, but anything just to prepare it, get anything that's on there grease-wise or that would inhibit these from sticking. So do a quick wipe and then you're ready to go. So I just want to point out on this, I don't see anything different between these two for left or right, but I did notice if you look on the edge on the left side there, you can see it's higher than on the right side. So, and that is designed because there's a little lip right here. So that is designed so that thicker part lays down on the bottom like that. There's no instructions that say exactly where to place this, so I'm going to try to place it fairly close to the edge because that's where you're going to catch it, your foot coming in and out. So I also have, my door sills are also covered with PPF, so where this doesn't cover, this whole area is all covered with PPF, so it doesn't get scratched up either over the years. But I'm just going to kind of center it, and we'll peel and stick. So these are the rear pieces, and the rear pieces do have a little, you can see a little bend in them, and the bends are opposite. So I test fit them, and they seem to fit best with the curve, this curve right there going to the back toward the rear of the car. So that's how I'm going to put them in. Something I just noticed that I think is funny, this is right here that you can get the installation instructions from the dealer. Not that you need them, this is not rocket science, but just thought I would point that out if anybody would feel better doing that. So this is the finished product. It looks really sharp, adds a lot to the front doors, getting in and out of them. So on the back, and it's not that it doesn't look nice, but it's just, since it's just black, at least on my car especially, they kind of blend in. If you got a white or red one, you'll see them a little bit more. But like I said, I just wish it said GR, that'd be really cool. And that is it, everyone. So another mod on my GR Corolla. And I know people have mentioned it a lot and they've seen it, so I'll give it a better shot. So there is my '89 supercharged MR2. I'm taking that down to Toyota Fest in May next month in Long Beach, California, if any of you are coming out. And this is my 2009 Corolla S that I've turbocharged. I've taken that down to Toyota Fest twice now. So, hope to see you guys. If anybody's out there on May 20th, come by, say hello, and we'll see you down the road.